Hello friends, hope you all are fine. If you're finding a best opportunity to earning, this video can help you. Today I am talking about the best ever platform where you can earn lot of money. So friends, let's start the video. Today I am talking about Billion Traders International, where you can see with Billion Traders International you can earn lot of money. You can fulfill your all dreams from here. A life-changing and standard business opportunity, Billion Traders International, where you can see the official website www.billiontraders.co.in, where you can visit and you can get more details. Stock avatars of the company. Here you can see Billion Traders International, which is the international office stable in Dubai, and the Indian office is stable in Mumbai, where you can see all details in this slide. Now talking about the avatars of the company, we are registered fund management company with the Monetary Authority of Dubai. We are currently managing active funds fund in 2022. We are term of interest and competitive background with industry's perspective. We believe that currency native that engine the innovation and spill over to the mainstream and cross population with the all other domain. You can see all details in the official website. Talk about the mission and vision. Mission and vision is the company very strong one to give you a long-term income. You can see our mission and vision is we aim to build strong relationship with our customer. We value the preference of customer and try to offer best unique learning platform for their future life. Now coming to the point, here you can see the company provide online share trading company. It's a online share trading company, Indian and international trading, India's biggest investment company and ISO certified company, where you can visit the official website and you can get more details. Talking about the investment package, here you can see there are 5 investment package. First package is for 1 lakh, second package is for 5 lakh, third package is for 10 lakh, fourth package is for 50 lakh and fifth package is for 1 crore, where you can see all details as per your need. You can choose your package. After that you can see you will get weekly 10% in 20 weeks return, where you can see this is a big opportunity for weekly 10%. It's a best opportunity up to 10%. You will get up to 20 weeks in return. Now next slide, here you can see you will get capital of 5% and profit 5% return. Your capital that you will get 5% and profit return of 5%. Next slide, you can see you will get direct sponsor commission, where you direct sponsor commission is 10%. Whichever member you will direct, you will get 10% of direct commission. Do direct sponsor and get direct sponsor commission of 10% on each directed. Talk about the matching bonus commission, where you can see matching bonus commission is 10%. Complete your matching and get 10%. Coming to the terms and conditions, where you can see Monday to Saturday investment, first Wednesday direct and matching, second Wednesday ROI started. All payment deduction, service charge 5% and tax deduction 5%. Tax deduction yearly submitted Aadhaar, PAN card, bank passbook download compulsory. Weekly ceiling package, you can see 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh, 100 lakh. You can see one person one ID allowed, in other ID will be blocked. Weekly cutoff every Saturday 10 p.m. all account you can see power slide, you can see carry forward. Then in next slide you can see left and right compulsory for direct sponsor matching bonus eligibility. So friends, join first, start earning. For more details you can visit our official website www.billiontraders.co.in. you can see the customer share. You will get customer care support Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So friends, join with Billion Traders International and get your life successful. Thank you friends, see you in next video.